Hey guys, running Kimono here. So we went back to Walgreens, did a couple little deals, including a $6 moneymaker for some mouthwash. Lots of goofy coupons are floating around, so I'm going to walk you through this because your brain might be scrambled like mine, thinking like, what am I going to do? This is a super deal though. And then I got a couple things with points, and just to let you guys know a couple housekeeping items before I dive into things more deeply. Beauty is back. It's valid till Halloween. There was also a new booster that showed up this morning, so load that guy. And summer clearance, depending where you might be living, will be hitting 75, hopefully, it's 50 in my location, next Saturday or Tuesday, depending what clearance schedule you are on. So if you've had your eye on something, that might be, you know, something to do. And then we have a little Fetch Rewards freebie over here. We're gonna show you that as well. But Walgreens was really fantastic today. We're at Rite Aid, we have a $10 moneymaker with this, really inexpensive hauls. And then at Meijer, we're talking money-making LARA bars and an absolute freebie. You won't even need to open up your wallet. This is an insane deal. This is the first thing we're gonna talk about. I did this a couple hours ago, so I'm not as excited, but I was having my Price is Right moment. So if you are from the Midwest, I will explain this deal here. You know what, I'm gonna do this right now before the weather report. Sorry, Mom. Okay, so shout out to a subscriber who pointed this out to me first thing this morning. I did this deal 6 times. And I'll let you guys know before people come for me in the comments and say, you're the most greedy person on earth. Yes, part of that is correct. My store had even more of this in stock, so I didn't clear the store. So there's a lot more for a lot more customers, and they had so many boxes that were sealed as well. So, and there's 16 per box. Okay, so this is just a stupendous deal, and I'm gonna walk you through it one of 2 ways. The first way is to grab 5 of these, and they are $1 each. This is an unadvertised deal where it's part of the buy 5, save 5. So just to give you a visual, grabbing 5 of these, that's $5, and then $5 will come off automatically, making it free. And in Michigan, you don't even have to pay tax for this. So it's on both the regular and the protein, which are the 2 different lines in it. And these are really delicious. My favorite is apple pie, but I mean, what a sensational deal. Now, the best way to do this is to grab 15 in one transaction. And yes, the 5 off of 5 will come off 3 times. Make darn sure that you're getting 15, that you're not getting any more than that. And then at the end, you know, pay, but you don't have to pay anything, especially if you're in Michigan, because there's no tax on food. And then this guy prints out when you buy 15. Now, just to show you the receipt, because I know a lot of you are probably confused, you don't need to clip a coupon, you don't need to clip an M-Perk, nothing. There it all is. So grabbing 15, I paid nothing out of pocket and got this guy. I broke this up into 6 transactions at self-checkout, and I had no problem doing 6. I did it around noon today, and it worked beautifully. Again, special thank you to the subscriber who pointed this out. She is the MVP and just so awesome. And some of this stuff, like this is going to be breakfast for the next couple of months, and I'm really excited to have it because, as many of you know, I'm always running around and I'm always late for everything because I'm so disorganized. But I mean, this is just a fire deal and what extreme couponing is all about. And if you can't find the 15, just grab 5. And if your store only has 2 left, you know, use it as part of a buy 5, save 5. Now, what I will say too, guys, and this is kind of weird, did they want this to be part of the buy 5, save 5? Why wasn't it tagged? I don't know. I don't work there. Will they pull this? That's a possibility. So I would do this sooner than later. And it is Wednesday today, so I would try and make this happen because, I mean, this is just absolutely fantastic. And, like, are you kidding me? Completely for free. So you know, it's a really great deal. Hopefully it's crystal clear. If you have a Meijer, there is no sister store to Meijer either. But if you have a Meijer, go and figure out this deal, guys, and make it happen. One more thing I want to talk about this before I forget. Where you will find these specifically is in the cereal aisle. So there's a cereal aisle and a snack aisle. You might find it either in your cereal aisle or near the snack aisle. So do not look in the pharmacy for that. That's not where they're found. You will find these specifically in that cereal snack aisle, and like run on this deal, guys, because it is absolutely fantastic. We also have some coupon mail we'll talk about at the very end. And here's the weather report for you. It is a sunny one. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day, and it's about 80 degrees here today. So this deal I wanted to do because I wanted to get some more mouthwash, because I realized a lot of my mouthwash in my stockpile had expired. So I said, you know what? Time to get some mouthwash today. Now, out of the Catalina machine, I had a 5,000 when you spend 20, so I utilized it with this deal. So a really good deal for me. So grabbing 6 of these. These are part of buy 3, get 6,000 points, and they're $4 a pop. So I grabbed 6 of them, so that's $24. I got the cashier to scan my 5,000 when you spend 20. And then the digital coupons loaded include the 7 off of 3 and the 6 off of 3. There is a whole bunch of different coupons. If you are gonna load every single one, the smallest ones will come off first. So please make sure you have those 2 specific ones. And you can use the Walgreens app, scan the barcode to see you know, what's attaching and what isn't. But that's just a really great deal to use these 2 and to make a deal happen for you guys. And so for me, after everything was said and done, I paid 11 out of pocket, got back 17,000 points. I got the 6,000 times 2, as I did the deal twice for the weekly, plus 5,000 for that booster. So I got back 17,000 points, so it made it free plus a $6 money maker. Now, if you do not have a, you know, 5,000 when you spend 20, it'll be free plus a $1 money maker, so still a great deal. Now, another deal that a lot of people are asking me to explain is the Crest Brilliant or the Crest Charcoal or the Mouth Health, whatever it's called, the fancier ones that are $6.99. And when you buy $10 of that product, you're going to get back 5,000 points. So grabbing 2 of them, so one of the Gum Health and one Brilliance, that would be $13.98. There are 2 $3 digital manufacturers that will come off, so $6. You'll pay $7.98 cash out of pocket. You must pay cash for this deal because it's a spend offer. And with IBOTTA, there's $3 rebates for each, so you'll get $6 back, plus your 5,000 points, making it free, plus a $3.02 money maker. Not too shabby. So what a great little deal that is. This little lady, she is $5.99. Digitally, guys, we have a $2 IVC plus a $2 manufacturer coupon. So I paid $1.99 cash out of pocket. And then my Fetch Rewards app this morning, there was a free item that either at Walgreens or CVS for this product. So with Fetch, I couldn't use $2 in points to pay it down because it would make my balance look like 0. So they gave me back $1.99 in points, or $1,900, $900. So that's still fantastic. This product for free, and I'm always happy to get a freebie, but this guy is so bulky, or this lady is so bulky, it takes up half of my basement. So I'm just really happy to get one for free, and that's the only way I would have done it. For $1.99 earlier this week, I'm like, I'll take a hard pass on that. But to get it for free, it's fantastic. And if you've never heard of the Fetch app, check out the link in the notes and sign up with my team. And when you photograph your first receipt, this is for new signups only, you're gonna be given like an extra $2, and your first receipt could be anything. A pack of gum that you bought last week at Walgreens and you will get $2 in points. Okay, so the last little things that I got was one of these Germexes. This guy is $5.99 and the Cottonelle for $5.99. That's a weekly deal. And this is just a regular price. I'm trying to replenish my stockpile with Germex. I cannot do the Walmart hand sanitizer. I think it smells like chemicals or something. It gives me a really bad headache. And I'm not a headache person, but I get a really bad headache from it. So grabbed one of these. I'm trying to get a bunch for my mom too. So anyhow, these two is $11.98. Remember, they're $5.99 a pop. I used 10,000 points, and $1.98 was tracking for Beauty, so Beauty is still working. And then IBOTTA is giving back a quarter for this guy, so not too bad. So it's just a really smart flip of some points in my book. I mean, this toilet paper is usually $8.99, if not higher at other stores, so I am okay with that. We love Cottonelle in our household. Now guys, that was Walgreens, and I'm very, very delighted with that. Okay, the next store that we have is Rite Aid. A special shout out to Ravi. This is in fact his deal. He is the Rite Aid king if you're not following him. His YouTube page is linked at the front of my YouTube page. You might want to check it out if you shop at Rite Aid. So these little neorthotics is a little heel cushion. You will find this in the aisle with like all of the like bunion pads and all that fun stuff. I'm sure a lot of you just hang out in that aisle all the time. A lot of stuff happens there. So these are tagged for $24 at my store, but they're ringing up for $9.99. Buy one, get $15 of bonus cash. Buy two, get $30 of bonus cash. And you could break it up over 2 days. It makes it free plus a $5.01 moneymaker. Now, this is twice per store card, so I'm done. And I do note also that they might pull this at any time because I don't think they wanted this to be a $5 moneymaker. So get these sooner than later over at Rite Aid. Like, what a fantastic deal. And then I just repeated this deal again on the Halls cough drops. They are 69 cents on clearance. Two of them is $1.38, dollar off 2 digital coupon. I paid 38 cents for the 2, making it 19 cents per bag. And the bonus cash challenge, guys, this tracked for it. So how wonderful is that? Okay, now we're gonna look at some coupon mail. Can I get you to move, little buddy? Oh, it's some nice kisses. Oh, thanks, Daisy. Okay, so I got some coupon mail. I'm not sure how much more of this is up for grabs, but we'll look at my friend Sandra's price board. Her email and all of her specific information will be in the notes as well. If you're old-fashioned and you just want to send her a message, like, you know, if you're not sure what a link tree is or anything, send her a quick message and she'll get back to you of what she has and what is available. And look, I cut that like a jerk, so I have to go get a different one. Okay, so let's take a quick look at this. This first is the September P&G. Anytime you guys want to pause the video because I do talk quite a bit. Mr. Kimono on the phone there telling something funny, laughing at his own jokes. That's the September P&G. I'm awful, aren't I? Here's the Smart Source. Again, anytime you guys want to pause, do so. And ooh, Godiva. That's valid till November the 15th. So with Black Friday sales, I wonder That might be interesting. You know, just around Halloween, there's always like, or pardon me, just before the holiday, there's always some sort of like little dealio with chocolate, so. Ooh, free warmer. Okay, and the last one is a Retail Me Not. Oh, look, more chocolate coupons. It's valid till the end of the month. Axe. It's a whole lot of fanciness there. Tana. Eucerin. Advil. Olives. Splenda. Syrup Park. And then some Indiana popcorn. Okay, let's go look at Sandra's price board. Hey guys, so she does have more of the September P&G with the Tide. So 5 of each is 13, jumping up to 10, that's 19, and it includes shipping. And then for this upcoming weekend, I guess there's going to be a Retail Me Not, so she'll have more information later tonight. And then if you look at her overall price board here with her link tree, there is some of those 830 bundles that I just showed you with all the chocolate, and then some with the Tide as well. If you're unsure, again, send her a quick email and she will get back to you. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.